Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple Glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of Glam crystal candle holders. These candle holders are going to be more winter decor, but you can certainly use them for Christmas. Now what you're going to need, you're going to need some of these teardrop pendants. You'll need some white iridescent glitter. You will need some floral diamond wrap. All three of these are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you'll need 2 of these glass candle holder plates. You will need 2 of these votive tea light holders. And I've got 2 different heights here. Just going to do a graduated height, but you can certainly make yours the same size if you like to do that. And then you'll need 2 of these crackle glass candle holders. I've got some Mod Podge as well that I'm going to be using. And to assemble this, I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these Glam crystal winter candle holders turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple Glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of Glam DIYs and Glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.